Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Is your dishwasher not cleaning the dishes the way it used to? Here's your problem. These have a filter, and get ready to get grossed out here. Yep, that's your filter right there. Super gross. And this is the reason that our dishes are not getting cleaned very well, or at least one of the top reasons. There's also a secondary filter here. We can kind of pull up this little grate here and we'll clean all of this off. Ooh, there's some nice gross stuff growing there as well. So we'll clean this up, put it back together, and our dishes will clean much better. Okay, the good news is this cleans up really easy. Just kind of running water from the inside to the outside of this, just sort of like that. Does a really good job of cleaning. If you wanted to, you could use a brush and a little bit of soap, but it's really not necessary. Again, it cleans up pretty dang easy. Okay, let's put it back together. Okay, for this piece, there's two little tabs. See the one here, and there's another one here on this opposite side. So it kind of slides under those tabs and then just pushes down. And then this filter actually kind of helps lock that in place too. This one goes down, and then we just kind of gently turn it clockwise, and then you'll kind of feel it sort of lock in there. There it is. And that, my friends, will do it if you do this cleaning on a regular basis. It literally took me 2 minutes. And if you do this about every couple months or so, it'll help your dishes get nice and clean. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.